Hi, it's me again with Corel All Tips and Tricks. A couple of days ago, I made a video about how to get text to path in between two rings evenly, and I did it three different ways. And then one of my viewers gave me a pretty good tip, and I knew about it, but I didn't know it would work as good as this. Now, for this video, the text is 0.75 inches tall. The rings are separated by 1 inch, 1 inch path. As you can see. So it makes the math really easy. But what I would do in this case would just move that over so it doesn't interfere. Then go to text to path, put it on your path, get your red line. And then right here, this says, I've actually moved it over, so I need to put it like on 0. That put it in the center. And then right here, distance from path. Well, this is 3/4 of an inch, so we need 1/8 of an inch, which would be 0.125. Now, when we move this ring back, that wordage is exactly between the two paths, or between the two circles. I knew about moving this, but I never thought about it in measurements. You know, this spins it around, which is kind of nice. But if you always want to go back to 0, just hit 0. And then if you want this back to on that line, you just put 0 again. And then just another idea, if you ever want that to start over, you can go up to Object and break the text apart, and then take this text, actually go up to text, and straighten the text, and it'll go back to where it was. Anyway, so I thank that viewer for that tip, and thank you for watching.